Hello, my friends. The Red Evil King ruled our country, and Hulk punished him.
I'm on my G shit with 3-6 baddies sat with me. Pull up to the Addy, roll with a posse. Stronger than Carlo Agassi. You get your ass beat if you ask me. What's me? My pockets beating green like the Incredible Hulk. Huge weapons, what I told. Grab your bitch by the hair, just fuck your thoughts. Stay strapped like a lesbian when I'm on. I don't respect women, not even my mom. I sound like a Elsa doll. Carry a hammer like I'm from Ascot. Call me Big Daddy, she likes her ass hard. I got the juice now, I'm drunk as fuck. My dick huge and hairy like a humongous truck. Shine too hard when I move boulevards. That's why I'm wearing rash guard when I'm